small business taxes. This is a very complex topic to navigate, so let me share a few tips and tricks that can help you on your journey. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Keep accurate records. This means you keep accurate records of all your business expenses and income. This will make it much easier to prepare your taxes and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the deductions and credits available to you. Number 2. Use deductions. There are many different types of business expenses, and these can be deducted from your taxable income, such as office supplies, travel expenses, and equipment purchases. Be sure to keep track of all these expenses so you can take full advantage of them come tax time. And we can't forget about tip number 3, which is seek professional advice. While it's possible to do small business taxes yourself, it can be a complex and time-consuming process. That is why it's often a good idea to seek professional advice from a qualified accountant or tax professional. They can help you navigate the complexities of the tax code and ensure that you're minimizing your tax liability while staying in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. And there you have it. With all these tips and tricks, you'll be way on your way to navigating the complexities of small business taxes like a pro. And remember, the future is yours.